How to fix Mac host name changed on public network. To fix a Mac host name changed on a public network, you can do the following. 1. Go to System Preferences Network. 2. Select the network interface that you are using to connect to the internet. 3. Click on the Advanced button. 4. In the Wins tab, make sure that the NetBIOS name and workgroup are set to your desired values. 5. Click on the OK button. 6. Restart your Mac. If you are still having problems, you can try contacting the network administrator for assistance.